Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos. Today's video, we will be working on our turnout with no equipment. So let's get started in a double stag on one side, and we're just going to move from side to side to warm up our hips. As you move from side to side, just do what feels good to warm up your hip flexors and your hip joint. Just keep moving side to side, keeping your feet where they are. You can use your hands on the floor or not. Now let's actually take our feet together in a butterfly and then tap your right knee to your left knee. You can lift your hip slightly here and bring it back, and do the same on the other side. Left knee to your right knee and bring it back. Again, right knee to your left knee, bring it back, left knee to your right knee. And last time, see how much you can stretch the outside of your hip here on each side. Beautiful. Let's go on to our side to start. Lay on your left side with your legs underneath you, bent at a 90-degree angle. We're starting with some clamshells. We're going to do 16 clamshells, really rotating our hip externally. Let's do 15 more. We have 15, keeping our toes together, hips stacked on hips. Let's go for 14, and we're going nice and slow here so that we can really feel our turnout. 13. We have 12. 11, keeping our toes together. 10 and 9. Let's go for 8 more. After this last one, let's tap our right knee to our left knee and tap our toes together. We do that 8 times. Let's go again for 7 and tap the toes. We have 6 and tap the toes. We have 5, really keeping our hips stable here so we're not wiggling our hips. We're really rotating within the hip. Beautiful. Do 4 more. Beautiful. Let's extend our legs underneath us. Flex your right foot and point your toe. Bring your toe to a retire position. Slide it all the way down, maintaining your turnout. Let's do that again 7 times. So we do 8 in total. Let's go for 7, drawing it up along our leg and flexing it down, trying to maintain the turnout. Let's do 6. The key here is to maintain the turnout at the end. It is easier to find turned out legs when our knees are bent, but we want to maintain our turnout when we're standing on our leg or when we go down to a standing position. So keep going. Let's do about 3 more. Beautiful. Last one, take your toe to a retire, and we're going to lift the knee up to the sky, extend, flex it down. So we're doing a développé. Let's do that 3 more times. Toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, flex, slower down, maintaining the turnout. Again, 2 more times. Toe to our knee, lift the knee, extend, flex and lower down. Let's do that 1 more time. Lift the toe to our knee, lift the knee, extend, and flex to lower it down. Beautiful. Let's prop ourselves up into a tabletop position next. Take a second to shake out your legs and your hips. In our tabletop, let's put our left elbow down, keep your right hand flat on the floor, and we're going to lift our leg all the way up to the sky. Lower it halfway down and lift it up. Let's do that 8 times. We go for 7. Lower halfway down, lift it up for 6, and again for 5. So we're just lowering it to be parallel to the floor. Let's go for 3, but lifting it up as high as we can. And we have 2. And last 1. Beautiful. Lower it all the way down and lift it all the way up. Again, lower all the way down, lift it all the way up. Let's do that 8 times. So we have 6 more. Let's go for 6. I know this is challenging, but you've got this. If you're feeling your supporting leg, that is totally normal. I was feeling my bottom glute as well. Beautiful. We have 4 more. Keep going. Amazing. Last one. Extend the right knee up to the sky. Flex and bend. Again, extend the knee, keeping the knee lifted. Flex and bend. Think that you're lifting from the inner thigh and from the glute. Extend and lower down into a half frog, half middle split to really stretch out your hips. Beautiful, guys. Go ahead and place your hands beside your armpits, legs behind you, and press up into a cobra to stretch out the hip flexors. On the next exhale, bring your hips towards your heels in a child's pose, and then let's make our way to a downward facing dog. So tuck the toes under, lift the hips up, and try to lower the heels as you exhale. So let's lift them up and exhale, lower the heels to the floor in that down dog. Beautiful. Just stretching out the backs of the legs for 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. We're going to do everything on the second side. So go ahead, make your way onto your right side on your mat, swing your legs around, and we start with those 16 clamshells. Let's go. 16 clamshells using our turnout. Let's go for 16. Opening and closing the knee for 15. We have 14, 13, and we have 12 more. Keep going. Amazing. Last one. Tap the left knee to the right knee and tap the toes together. We do that 8 times. Again, tap the knees and tap the toes. Let's go for 6. And we have 5. Let's go for 4. Almost there. And we have 3 and 2. Beautiful. Last one. And open. Extend your legs underneath you, and we do those 8 retires up and down. Flex the left foot, point through the toes, draw a line along your leg, lifting the knee, and flex, maintain the turnout as you stretch. Again, point through the ankle and the toes, retire, flex, push it away. Think of pushing the floor away with that top leg to really lengthen through the leg and maintain your turnout. Let's go for 4. We have 4 more. Keep going. 5 and 6. Beautiful. 2 more. 7. Flexing away. And last one, 8. We're going to extend the knee up to the sky in a développé. Flex through the foot and lower down. Again, toe to our knee. Lift it up and extend. Flex it down 2 more times, guys. We're almost there. Toe to our knee. Lift it up. Extend. Lower down. Last one. Toe to our knee. Lift the knee. Extend. And flex it down. Beautiful. Find your way to a tabletop position. This time, place your right hand down, left hand's flat on the floor. We lift our left leg all the way up to the sky, and we do those half lower and lift. So let's lower it half and lift. We do that 8 times. Keep going for 7 and lift. You've got this. 6 and lift. 5. As you're lifting, really try to keep your hips over top of your supporting knee so you're not shifting forwards. You really want to feel it in the bottom glute as well as the top working leg. Let's do 2 more. We have 2 and 1. Beautiful. Lower it down all the way. We lift it up and down for 8. You've got this. This was definitely the most challenging part. 7. I know you're tired. And 6, try to breathe into your muscles and use your muscles to lift your leg rather than sway your shoulders or your hips up and down and sideways. Beautiful. Almost there. 3 more. And 2. Keep lifting that left leg. Last one, we're going to extend the leg to the sky, point through the toe, flex the foot, bend the knee, keep the knee lifted. And again, extend and flex. Extend, flex. Last time, extend, lower the foot and slide into a half frog, half middle. And notice if you got lower in your middle split and your frog here, from working on our glutes, we should be able to open up the hips more. Guys, the hard work is done. Let's go to our stretching portion of today. So go ahead and place your left foot flat on the floor. Right knee is extended with your hands on the floor. If you need, you can use some yoga blocks underneath your hands here to reach towards the floor if you can't. And then as you move to the other side and shift your weight, keep your hips low. I like to call this stretch the Spider-Man stretch for obvious reasons. And as you're going from one side to the next in the Spider-Man lunge or stretch, you really want to keep your hips low so that you can stretch out your hips and your turnout. Great, guys. Point your toes forward, lift your hips up to the sky, and try to get those elbows to the floor if you can. If you can't, you can place your hands on the floor. And for the final stretch of today, let's slide into our middle split. See how far you can go after that workout and all of those exercises. I always love doing these exercises because I get so much lower in my split after warming up my glutes and stretching out my hips. So let me know if you liked today's video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now. And don't forget to stretch your glutes because they might be sore.